Are you seeking mental help? Well, I was. I found it here. The summit of Mount Adams. Hail, Mount Adams, the mighty. This is my generation, baby. 12,276 feet. Do you hear me? Mount Rainier is next. I have performed total alpine domination here today. Mountain climber!